Hey everyone, welcome to my channel tutorial lore. Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your Safe to bank account. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel tutorial lore. Let's go. First, you have to open your Chrome and then go to the search and type Yoursafe. After that, click on the official link of Yoursafe. After that, you will get the option of signing up, so you have to click on it. Then you have to scan the QR code to get logged in. Let me done it. After scanning, you will come here. You will see an option on the upper side to transfer money. You have to click on it. After this, you will see many options. Good luck to you. Transfer money to a local bank of US. After this, you have to enter some details of your banks and then confirm and your bank will be added. Whenever your payment comes, you have to click on withdraw and then your money come to your bank account. Simple enough. I hope you understand. If you are still facing problem in transfer money from your Safe to bank account, you can comment it. I will definitely reply to you. Hope you will like the video and press the subscribe button. Drop a comment. Also, thank you.